If getting your kids to eat healthy feels like an everyday battle, you are not alone. But what if I told you that you could sneak in fruits, veggies, and even protein in a way your kids will actually beg for? Today I'm sharing 5 kid-approved smoothies that even the pickiest eaters love, tested by real moms and devoured by real little humans. Let's blend up some magic! First, why smoothies? Well, kids eat with their eyes first. Smoothies are colorful, fun, and you can hide all sorts of nutrients in them. They're quick to make, easy to take on the go, and best of all, they taste like treats. But they're packed with the good stuff. Plus, if you're a busy parent, one smoothie equals less mealtime drama. Alright, first up, this tastes like a milkshake from a diner, but it's secretly packed with nutrition. The chocolate peanut butter shake, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon peanut butter, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, ½ cup Greek yogurt, 3/4 cup milk, and optionally, a handful of cooked cooled cauliflower. Yes, really. The banana makes it sweet. The peanut butter adds healthy fats and protein. And the cauliflower, totally invisible, but great for fiber and nutrients. My 4-year-old calls this Choco Power Juice, and I'm not correcting her. Next is the Rainbow Berry Blast, a vibrant purple smoothie that boosts immunity and helps with those back-to-school sniffles. ½ cup frozen blueberries, ½ cup strawberries, half banana, ½ cup orange juice, ½ cup Greek yogurt, and optionally, a small handful of baby spinach. You can call this the superhero smoothie. Kids love the name, and you can sneak in a bit of spinach without them even noticing. You know what? Give them a cape. Make it a thing. Here's a tip. Get your kids involved. Let them choose fruits, help push the blender button, or give the smoothie a silly name. When they feel ownership, they're way more likely to try it, even if it's green. I know, green smoothies sound like a parenting gamble, but this one is a hit, especially if you call it the Shrek Shake or Hulk Juice. The green monster, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup spinach, ½ cup frozen mango, ½ cup pineapple, 1 cup coconut water, and optionally, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Sweet, creamy, tropical, and the spinach, totally messed. Tell them it's how superheroes grow strong, and boom, you've got a green convert. Sometimes simple is best. The strawberry banana dream is familiar, pink, and delicious. Perfect for smoothie beginners. 1 banana, 3/4 cup strawberries, ½ cup vanilla yogurt, ½ cup milk, and optionally, honey or flax seeds. This is the one to use when you're short on time or when your kid is being extra picky. Works like a charm. And now, the one they think is dessert, but you know is secretly healthy. The cookie dough smoothie. 1 frozen banana, ½ cup oats, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla, ½ cup milk, and a few mini dark chocolate chips. You'll want to make one for yourself too. It's creamy, cozy, and tastes like cookie dough. My daughter once asked if this was illegal. I said, only if you tell dad it's healthy. Quick tips for making smoothie life easier. Pre-pack smoothie ingredients into freezer bags. Use fun straws and cups. Add oats to make them more filling. And keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate. It's not about being perfect. It's about small wins that taste good. So now you've got 5 smoothies that kids actually love, and secretly, they're building better immunity, digestion, energy, and mood. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want a free printable with all 5 recipes plus a bonus one my toddler calls Pink Unicorn Punch, grab it from the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because next week, I'm dropping 5 smoothies that boost focus and sleep for kids. Until then, keep blending with love. Keep blending with love.